Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn German for Beginners. Here in this video I wanna give you some information about special character of German and its pronunciation. We generally call it umlaut. The purpose of an umlaut to change a vowel. Three vowels in German language have an umlaut, and it can affect the vowel a, o, u. First, a. A with an umlaut become a. Please repeat after me. A. And the example is na is close, near is closer. Na is close, near is closer. And the next umlaut is U. U with an umlaut becomes A. Please repeat after me. A. And example is Vogel is bird, Vogel is birds. Vogel is bird, Vogel is birds. And the last umlaut is U. U with an umlaut becomes U. Please repeat after me. U. And the example is Bruder is brother, Bruder is brothers, Bruder is brother, Bruders is brother. Here you noticed that umlaut generally go with plural form of German word. Yeah. And the last special character is beta. And we pronounce this letter in three ways called S-set, sharp SS and sharp S. We pronounce is like double S, just like word in English kiss. And example is shies. Please repeat after me. Shies. Please note the S-set alphabet never comes in the beginning of German word. Yes. At last, we summarize what we have learned today. In German language, we have three umlaut and one extra character called S-set, which look like beta in English. I hope you like my video and the knowledge which I have shared with you. Please click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you friends for watching my video. Have a good day.